Hey, good morning. Kevin here with Apple Drains. Today we're on site here in West Charlotte. Kind of a new build. The house sits on a hill and slopes back down to the backyard. So what we're going to be doing today is adding some catch basins to collect water, as well as a solid drainage line around a new retaining wall, just to protect the longevity of that wall for the future. Let's go check it out. We've just finished digging our trench that we're going to put our 4-inch line into. So it's going to kind of come down here, and then we're going to come behind these trees. And there's a new retaining wall on the other side of that fence that we're trying to divert water around to help protect that retaining wall. Hey, we're back here in West Charlotte. We're wrapping up this job. We've went ahead and put down about 4 yards of topsoil above our work, and it kind of leveled out the area. We've got a 9x9 NDS catch basin. It's going to catch surface water off both the driveway and the house. This is a new build that does not have gutters, so all the water collected off the roof on the back side of the house is just dumping here. So we've got a catch basin with the ability to add more catch basins as needed now with a drainage line along the back of the property.